Hi, hello, this fantastic training on Google Cloud Platform. Maybe you are new on Google, maybe you know Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services, but you know what? Stay tuned because this Google Cloud Platform is amazing. So welcome on my new Google GCP Fundamental Training. My name is Fabrice Janowski. What about this training? We'll see, of course, the fundamental. It's the core infrastructure. It's an overview of Google Cloud Platform. And this course will also help business decision maker evaluating GCP. If you want to evaluate the Azure Cloud Platform, you can follow my course, of course. This is on Azure. So we can follow this workshop. It's business decision maker, learner interested in Google GCP and Cloud Architect. There is no prerequisite, okay? Just sit down, take some popcorn like if you go to the movie. So what will you learn? You will learn all about Google GCP, how to use it, what is the GCP engine, the storage, the Kubernetes container and Docker application, development, deploy and monitor, and big data and machine learning. So the first module will be about Google GCP. What is IaaS and PaaS? What are the region and the zone? What are the products available per location? And the presentation of the finance data center. It's amazing. It's very cold over there, but it's amazing. And the pricing. The second module will focus on more Google infra security layers, hardware design, and core services. After, let's start using GCP with the IAM, who can do what, the role, the service account, and how to access GCP. After that, we'll see the market space. Yoo-hoo, yeah. It's like if you're doing, market, so what is market space, how to import a solution, and we'll do a fantastic lab importing a LAMP compute VM. After we'll focus on network, what is a VPC, what is load balancing, what is CDN, interconnect option, compute engine, and scale up and scale out. Of course, the storage, we'll see what's the bucket, what are the storage classes, the big table, the RDMS, the cloud spanner, and the cloud data store. And we will, of course, focus on the inventor of Kubernetes. Yeah, it's Google. So we'll see introduction to Google, Kubernetes, and we'll see also the application of App Engine standard environment, how to host your web application. This is fantastic. And we'll finish with the module 9, Dev and Deploy Monitor, developing the cloud, and we'll, after, of course, finish in the big data and machine learning, cloud data block, cloud data flow, BigQuery, and machine learning. Wow! So stay tuned and follow me on my training. Ciao!